Filming here in Lutz, Florida. It's around 10 o'clock and we're just 30 minutes north of Tampa. As you can see, it is cloudy, not really not getting any rain, not really windy at all, just a cloudy sky for Mathew, and that's it. So, wondering about the tweet that Drudge put out saying that the government's hyping up the intensity of this storm. Now, we are on the west coast of Florida, but not really expecting or getting too much. Our local news said that we were going to be getting about sustained winds of 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, maybe up to 40. We're not really seeing anything, so just wondering what's going on the east coast of Florida and what their intensity is, but we're not seeing too much.